Witches. What comes to mind when you think of that word? A deformed green face with a big nose? That's what we keep telling our children in stories and fairy tales, but in reality, they don't look like that at all. Witches can look like you or me, and it can be a man or a woman. The word witch could be used to describe any practitioner today, but there are many characteristics that distinguish what type of witch they are. Today, we are going to talk about the kitchen witch. Kitchen witches are very warm people. They take the protection of their home and family above all else. They are very down-to-earth souls that aren't craving frivolous things in their lives. A kitchen witch may be part of any religion or faith, or a mixture of their choosing. What makes these witches unique is the way they do their spells and rituals. They use the heart of their home to perform their craft, the kitchen. The tools that are used for their rituals are their kitchen utensils. These utensils are charged with their energy and are treated like any other ritual tool, carefully taken care of and put away when done. Every dish, every recipe is their way to cast a spell. The results they want will depend on the ingredients used. The energy from the ingredients and the witch's energy will be combined to create the spell. When finished, they will eat the food or give it to the person it is intended for the spell to be set into motion. The kitchen witches are a truly special group, and they make friends everywhere they go. They are a very joyous group and personally one of my favorites to be around.